So it seems like the valves are within spec. Between 0.003 and 0.005 both fit. 0.005 is a little bit tighter than 0.003. Another video I referenced online told me to check to make sure the decompression was even working by rocking it, and if that is clicking a little bit, which I don't know if you can tell, if it is kind of hard for me to do this, but I can tell that it is doing that. Still doesn't explain why when I have the spark plug in, as soon as it hits compression, it's extremely hard to turn. If anybody has any more ideas, let me know. Thanks. Alright folks, I got it at top dead center. This is 003 on my feeler gauge on the intake side, and it's a little tight at first, but when I get in there, it moves around freely. The specs say between between 0.003 and 0.005, and my gauge only goes from 2, 3 to 5, and 5 fits in there fine, so I'm not sure what the problem would be. The exhaust is the same way. It's between 0.005 and 0.007, and 0.006, which is in the middle, fits. If anybody has any ideas to us why this engine would have such a hard time starting, a lot of things I looked up pointed towards the valve adjustments, but the valve adjustment appears to be within spec. So, other than possibly a really weak starter, I'm not sure. I do know that turning it by hand when it hits compression is extremely difficult, even by hand. It does turn freely when the spark plug's out, so I'm not sure what the issue would be. If anybody's got any ideas, please let me know.